In the Digisigns dashboard, you can view all your user activity and detailed analytics for screens, media, and playlists. To begin, go to the Reports tab, then select User Activity. In the User Activity section, you can view newly created users. You can assign playlist names. For example, here, Playlist 3 is assigned to a subgroup or group. You can also create new groups and view all user activities and related data here. If you'd like to check analytics, such as how your screens and media are performing, open the Analytics tab. For example, under Screen Hours, you can see that Screen 1 played for 2 minutes and 45 seconds, while Screen 2 played for 27 minutes. You can also view the screen status, which shows that 5 screens are onboarded, 2 are offline, and 3 are unassigned. In the Playlist section, you can track playback duration. For example, Playlist 2 was played for 10 minutes, and Playlist 3 for 3 minutes. In the Media tab, you can check how each media file performed. For instance, Digi Create PDF was played for 9 minutes. You can download reports as PDF files by clicking the Download button, or export your data as CSV files from both the Analytics and User Activity tabs. This allows you to download all your performance and activity data in different formats for further analysis or reporting.